What's going on, everyone? And today I'm going to show you guys how to create like a border only text, that effect where it's just the outline of the text. So what I'm going to do is just hop into, open up any file you want. I'm just going to do a normal 1920 by 1080. I'm going to make this black real quick because I'm going to do a white border. You can do whatever color you want, does not matter. And so you're gonna get your font. You could really do whatever you want, but I like things that are, not too thin, not like any script fonts or anything like that. And then just type out your word. Put it wherever you want, make it however big you want, do whatever you want with it, And then what you're gonna want to do, right click on here over here by the layer where you have your text, and you're going to convert to shape. Now you're going to have to make sure you have the text how you want it, because you're not going to be able to change your lettering unless you create a whole new text, because now it is considered a shapefile. And so since it's considered a shapefile, you want to select this triangle right here, and you see how it has these boxes around it showing that it is a shape. And then you go up here, you're going to click on this fill. You're going to hit this box with the red line through it. That means it is transparent, so you'll see how the color disappears. And then you'll hit this stroke box, and you're going to want to select here and choose whatever color you want. Hit OK. And then right next to it where it says 1px, I like, depending on how big your image you're working on is going to alter how much pixels you want, because if you're working on a really big workspace, then you're gonna have to use more pixels. But I like normally 5 through 10, maybe even less, since this is a smaller workspace. I'm gonna do about 3, but all really matters. And there you go. That's how you do it. It's really simple. I'm sure there's other ways. This is just how I do it. It makes it really easy. You can still, move it around however you want, but it takes a few seconds. Once you get really the hang of it, it takes a few clicks, done. Really easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you found it helpful. See ya.